Getting a fast CNC machining quote on the Fictiv platform only takes a few minutes. In this video, we'll walk through how to upload your part, configure your specifications, and receive an instant quote or submit an RFQ. To start a quote, go to the sign up page on Fictiv.com and fill out your info to access your free account. If you already have an account, you can log in here. Then click Start a New Quote from the Fictiv dashboard. This opens the quote workspace where you can upload and configure your part. Next, upload your CAD model. 2D drawings are optional, but you can upload them here as well. You can also upload multiple files at once and configure them separately within the same quote. Fictiv accepts common 3D file formats like STEP and STL. Once uploaded, the platform automatically analyzes the geometry and prepares the part for configuration. First, determine whether the order is for prototype development or commercial production. Now you'll configure your part's manufacturing specifications. Start by choosing your material from the available CNC machining options. If you're unsure which material to select, you can also ask Materials AI for recommendations. Next, set the quantity you'd like to order, then click Apply Configuration to continue. After that, select any required surface finishes, such as anodizing, powder coating, or other treatments. You can also configure holes to identify any threaded features. Next, review the automated DFM feedback provided by the platform. These insights help identify potential manufacturability issues early, saving time and preventing costly revisions later in the process. If needed, you can also add additional documentation, such as an advanced inspection report, certificate of conformity, or material certification. Keep in mind that these options may affect cost and lead time. If you have a technical drawing, you can upload it at any time before finalizing the quote. Drawings help communicate critical dimensions, tolerances, and inspection requirements to the manufacturer. You can also annotate the drawing directly in the platform to add notes or specifications. However, this may require submitting an RFQ for review by a Fictiv engineer. Just make sure the drawing specifications match your configuration settings. And if you don't have a drawing available, the Fictiv platform can auto-generate a simple 2D drawing for you. Next, select your production speed, choose domestic or overseas production, and confirm the order quantity. Before completing the order, confirm that your shipping address is correct. Once everything looks good, you're ready to move forward. From there, you can begin checkout and select your payment method, or download the quote or forward it to a purchaser to complete the order. And that's it. With Fictiv, you can go from CAD upload to CNC quote in just minutes, helping you move faster from design to production.